I'm not saying that I shouldn't get a penalty for it.
What should the penalty be? What should the penalty be?
I'm not, you're the judge.
Right,
So
but you
you-
think my penalty is onerous, and there should be some other penalty. Otherwise, you wouldn't be asking me these questions.
I'm asking you, Your Honor, I'm doing the right thing right now. I've been out for almost 2 weeks. I'm sober right now. Put me on probation, please, and
I did put
will-
you on probation. Now I'm second guessing whether I should have put you on probation.
Let me show you through my actions that I could do probation, and I will not be in front of you ever again.
I put you on probation. Didn't I just put you on probation?
You did.
You want probation with no penalty. You want probation with no accountability for what the injury you caused to this officer by your stupid actions. That's what you want.
I'm not-
That's your definition of probation. Ain't my definition of probation. I mean, you've been around the block enough to know this. But you just want what you want. What you want is to be able to walk out of here today without any penalty for what you did. Which clearly indicates to me that it ain't gonna be very long before we're back here with a violation. That's what it indicates to me. You're gonna get a mental health evaluation, you're gonna follow all recommendations. You're gonna obtain and maintain full employment. You're gonna pay the costs and supervision fees. Anything else, Ms. Henley?
Your Honor, we were recommending a MAT evaluation.
Isn't he been on drugs to prevent being on drugs for a long time?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what's the value of that? Has that worked so far? What kind of drugs you been on to keep you off drugs? Methadone? What else?
Suboxone,
How'd that work out?
it worked out well for a while. and
Listen,
then-
I don't really give a shit what you do, okay? If you want to stay off drugs, then figure out how to stay off drugs, okay? I've given you terms you have to comply with, okay? If you think this nonsense about methadone is the way to go, then you talk to your probation officer about that,